Hello, good morning, friends. In yesterday's lecture, we had learned the basic trigonometric functions, that is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay. In this case, going further, we will be studying more examples about the applications of the trigonometric functions. Okay. In example 1, 2, and 3, we had learned about how we can find out the different values using these functions. Okay, now we move on to example 4. So what does this example say? In the right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1, then verify this much. This is what we have to verify. Okay, so in this case, what we can do? We can take the left hand side and we can prove that the value comes as 1. So how do we do it? First of all, this is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem say? It is nothing but the square of two sides, that is AB square plus BC square, that will be equal to AC square. Okay, so in this case, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so how do we take it? We take the square root, that is AC will be equal to under root AB square plus BC square. Done. So this is how we can apply Pythagoras theorem. When we apply this Pythagoras theorem, we get AC equal to under root. Now what we suppose is AB as K and BC also as K. Okay. Then AB square plus BC square will be AC square. Under root AC will be under root AB square plus BC square. That is nothing but K square plus K square. Okay. So now K square will be 2 root K square equal to, sorry, it will be K square plus K square is nothing but under root 2 K square is nothing but root 2 into K. Okay. Now AC has come as K root 2. What is the sine angle? Sine A means we have to take this angle. Sine A. Okay. So which is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. Is nothing but BC upon AC. Okay. So BC upon AC is nothing but sine A, that is 1 upon root 2. It is nothing but K upon K root 2. Okay, so K gets cancelled and A equal to K upon K root 2. 1 upon root 2. K will get cancelled. So here now coming to cos theta is nothing but AB upon AC equal to again 1 upon root 2. When we take the left side, LHS equal to 2 sin A. 2 sin A. So what is the value of sin A? 1 upon root 2. That is kept here. What is the value of cos A? Is kept here. 1 upon root 2, root 2. 2 upon 2. That is 1. Which is the required value. Okay. So this is how we finish off with this example. Okay. In next lecture we will next class we will be taking more examples of this chapter. Thank you so much. Stay connected, keep learning. Thank you.